In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen in a Webex meeting. Sharing your screen can be a valuable tool, whether you're presenting a business proposal, collaborating on a project, or simply hosting a virtual gathering. So, sit tight and follow along as we walk through this straightforward process together. First things first, you'll need to start or join a Webex meeting. Make sure you've either scheduled a meeting in advance or have a meeting invitation handy. Once you've logged into Webex and joined the meeting room, you should be greeted by the main meeting interface. You'll notice a toolbar at the bottom of your screen. This is your command center for the meeting, and it includes all the necessary tools for a seamless virtual experience. Now, direct your attention to the icon that looks like a screen with an arrow inside it. This icon is the key to sharing your screen. Click on it, and a menu will pop up, showcasing various options for sharing. Here, Webex provides you the flexibility to either share your entire screen or choose a specific application window. If you're planning to switch between multiple applications during your presentation, selecting Screen is your best option, as it allows participants to see everything happening on your desktop. However, if your focus is solely on one application, maybe a PowerPoint presentation or a document, it might be more efficient to share just that single window. This can help in maintaining privacy and ensuring other content on your desktop remains unseen. After selecting the desired option, you should see a preview of what is being shared. It's a good practice to double-check this preview to ensure you're showing the correct content. You wouldn't want to accidentally share your entire desktop when you intended to show just your presentation. Be meticulous when previewing, as taking a few extra seconds here can prevent any awkward moments later. Once your content is confirmed and ready to go, participants in the meeting will be able to view what you've chosen to share. A couple of helpful tips to ensure a smooth sharing experience. Keep your desktop organized to avoid accidentally revealing unnecessary files or information, and close any applications or browser tabs that you won't be using during your presentation, as this can also help optimize your computer's performance. When it's time to stop sharing your screen, simply click on the Stop Sharing button. You'll find this at the top of your screen, typically in a bar that appears once you hover your mouse towards the top. This ensures that the participants are no longer able to see your screen, and the meeting view will revert to the usual video call format. And there you have it. You are now equipped with the knowledge to share your screen effectively during a Webex meeting. Just remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to run through these steps a couple of times on your own to gain confidence. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy sharing!